Welcome to this A1 English Learning Practice video. You ready? So today I'm going to talk about language learning and how non-natives can learn English. Learning English as a non-native speaker is an enriching experience that opens doors to new opportunities and connections. It allows people to communicate with a global audience, access a vast range of knowledge, and improve their personal and professional lives. While the process may seem daunting at first, it is possible to learn English with dedication, consistency, and the right approach. This article will guide non-native speakers through various methods to achieve fluency in English. The first step in learning English is to build a strong foundation in the basics. For many learners, this means starting with common vocabulary and phrases. Words that are used in everyday situations, such as greetings, names of objects, and expressions of time, are essential. Learning these allows learners to communicate simple ideas and participate in basic conversations. For example, phrases like "Good morning," "How are you," and "Where is the bus station?" are practical and frequently used. By mastering these fundamental expressions, learners can begin to use English in real-life situations. In addition to vocabulary, understanding the structure of a language is crucial. Grammar provides the rules that govern how words are used together. Non-native speakers should start with the simplest structures, such as subject-verb-object sentences like "I eat an apple" or "She plays football." As they become more comfortable with these, they can move on to more complex grammar, such as verb tenses and conditionals. This gradual progression ensures that learners do not feel overwhelmed by the intricacies of a language. Listening and speaking are perhaps the most important skills for communication. Listening to English regularly helps learners familiarize themselves with the sounds, rhythm, and intonation of the language. There are many resources available, such as podcasts, audiobooks, and videos, that cater to beginners. Watching movies or TV shows with subtitles can also be an enjoyable way to improve listening skills. Repeating what you hear helps with pronunciation and builds confidence in speaking. Practicing speaking daily, even if it's just talking to yourself, can make a significant difference over time. Reading is another effective way to learn English. For beginners, it is best to start with simple texts, such as children's books, short stories, or articles written specifically for learners. Reading not only improves vocabulary but also exposes learners to proper sentence structure and idiomatic expressions. Highlighting unfamiliar words and looking up their meanings can help expand a learner's vocabulary. Over time, as reading skills improve, learners can transition to more advanced materials, such as novels, newspapers, and academic articles. Writing is equally important in mastering English. By writing sentences, paragraphs, and even short essays, learners can practice applying grammar rules and using new vocabulary. Keeping a journal in English is a simple way to practice writing daily. Writing emails, messages, or even social media posts in English can also help develop this skill. Regular feedback from a teacher, friend, or language partner is invaluable, as it highlights areas for improvement and reinforces correct usage. Using technology is a powerful way to enhance the learning process. There are countless apps, websites, and online courses designed to teach English. Tools like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise offer interactive lessons that make learning fun and engaging. Online dictionaries and translation apps are useful for looking up words and their meanings. Additionally, language exchange platforms allow learners to connect with native speakers, providing an opportunity for real-world practice. Immersion is one of the most effective ways to learn any language. For those who cannot travel to an English-speaking country, creating an English-rich environment at home is possible. Surrounding yourself with English by watching movies, listening to music, and setting your devices to English can make the language a part of your daily life. Joining local English-speaking groups or online communities also provides opportunities to use the language in conversation. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, and it is important not to fear them. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. Non-native speakers should embrace challenges and seek feedback from others. Practicing regularly and being patient with oneself are key to making progress. Learning a language is not about being perfect, it's about being able to communicate and connect with others. Learning English as a non-native speaker requires dedication, consistent practice, and the use of effective strategies. Starting with the basics, building vocabulary, and practicing listening, speaking, reading, and writing are all essential steps. Utilizing technology and immersing oneself in the language can further accelerate learning. With persistence and a positive attitude, anyone can achieve proficiency in English and enjoy the many benefits it offers. Learning English as a non-native speaker is a transformative journey that can enrich lives in countless ways. It is not just about mastering a language, it's about unlocking access to new opportunities, cultures, and relationships. With English being the most widely spoken second language globally, proficiency in it can significantly enhance personal and professional prospects. Although the process may seem overwhelming, a combination of the right strategies, tools, and habits can make learning English enjoyable and effective. The foundation of learning any language is building a vocabulary. In English, the most frequently used words make up the majority of everyday conversations. Therefore, starting with high-frequency words and expressions is crucial. For example, words related to greetings, common objects, family, food, and actions provide a practical starting point. Phrases like "How are you?" or "I need help" are immediately useful in various situations. To memorize these words, learners can use flashcards, vocabulary apps, or even label items in their home with English names. Over time, learners should aim to expand their vocabulary by adding thematic words, such as those related to travel, work, or hobbies, depending on their goals. Pronunciation is another key area that learners should focus on from the beginning. English pronunciation can be tricky, especially since many words are not pronounced as they are spelled. Listening to native speakers and imitating their pronunciation is a great way to improve. Learners can practice by repeating after audio recordings, using speech recognition apps, or watching videos that explain how to articulate different sounds. Additionally, focusing on mastering the sounds unique to English, such as th in words like think and this, can greatly enhance intelligibility. Grammar is the framework of any language, and English is no exception. Non-native speakers often feel intimidated by grammar rules, but there's no need to learn everything at once. Instead, learners should approach grammar step by step. Start with simple sentence structures and basic tenses, such as the present simple, "I live in Paris," and past simple, "She went to school yesterday." As confidence grows, learners can explore more complex structures, like the present perfect, "I have been studying English for a year," and conditional sentences, "If I study hard, I will improve." Practical exercises, worksheets, and grammar-focused apps can make learning these rules easier and more interactive. One of the best ways to reinforce grammar and vocabulary is through reading. Reading exposes learners to natural sentence structures and introduces them to new words in context. Beginners should start with simple materials, such as children's books or graded readers, which are designed for language learners. As their skills improve, they can progress to short stories, newspapers, and novels. Highlighting unfamiliar words while reading and then looking them up in a dictionary can help learners understand and remember them better. Reading aloud is also beneficial, as it combines reading practice with speaking practice, helping to improve pronunciation and fluency. Listening and speaking are perhaps the most important skills for communication. Regular exposure to spoken English helps learners develop an ear for the language. Resources such as podcasts, audiobooks, and online videos are valuable for improving listening skills. For beginners, listening to slow or simplified English content is helpful, while advanced learners can challenge themselves with native speed materials. Speaking, on the other hand, requires courage and practice. Many learners hesitate to speak for fear of making mistakes, but it is essential to overcome this fear. Speaking with friends, joining language exchange programs, or hiring a tutor can provide valuable practice. Even speaking to oneself, such as describing daily activities or practicing dialogues, can boost confidence. Writing is another important aspect of language learning. Writing helps learners process what they have learned and apply it in a structured way. Starting with simple sentences and gradually progressing to paragraphs, essays, or even creative writing projects can improve both grammar and vocabulary. Keeping a daily journal in English is a great habit to develop. Learners can write about their day, their thoughts, or any topic that interests them. Sharing written work with teachers, friends, or online communities can provide constructive feedback and motivation to keep improving. Technology plays a significant role in modern language learning. There are countless apps, websites, and online courses available to help learners of all levels. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise offer gamified lessons that make learning fun and engaging. YouTube channels dedicated to teaching English provide video lessons on everything from pronunciation to advanced grammar. Additionally, online dictionaries like Merriam-Webster or Cambridge English provide reliable definitions, examples, and even pronunciation guides. Language exchange platforms, such as HelloTalk or Tandem, connect learners with native speakers for real-life practice. For those who wish to take their learning to the next level, immersion is a powerful method. Immersion doesn't necessarily require traveling to an English-speaking country. It can also be achieved by creating an English-rich environment at home. For example, learners can watch movies and TV shows in English, listen to English music, and even set their devices to English. Engaging with English-speaking communities, whether online or offline, provides opportunities to practice and improve in a real-world context. Mistakes are an inevitable part of learning, and they should not discourage learners. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. It's important to focus on progress rather than perfection. Celebrating small achievements, like understanding a conversation or writing a coherent paragraph, can boost motivation and keep learners on track. Patience and consistency are the keys to success. Language learning is a long-term process, and progress may not always be immediately visible. However, by dedicating even just 20 to 30 minutes a day to focused practice, learners can make steady progress. It's also helpful to track progress by keeping a language diary or periodically testing one's skills using online assessments. In conclusion, learning English as a non-native speaker is a journey that requires dedication, strategy, and persistence. By focusing on vocabulary, grammar, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and by leveraging technology and immersion, learners can make significant strides in their English proficiency. Mistakes and challenges are natural parts of the process, but with a positive attitude and consistent effort, anyone can achieve their language learning goals. The rewards of mastering English: new opportunities, connections, and personal growth make the journey worthwhile.